In this second test you're learning, we want to write a program that asks the user to enter two numbers. One of those numbers will represent feet and the other number will represent inches. What we want to do is to take the feet and inches and represent what those are in terms of centimeters. The only thing we need to consider is that an inch, alright, so 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. So as an example, I could write enter feet and the user if they enter 4, and I have enter inches if the user enters 9. I will output 4 feet and 9 inches is 144.78 centimeters with a full stop. Okay, so this is the task I have for you. Let's look at how we would approach this problem. So the first step would be to ask the user to enter the feet value. Alright, and then we would ask the user to enter the inches value. Alright, great. So now we need to convert the feet to inches. Alright, seems like a reasonable thing to do. And finally, we would need to convert the inches, since we now have everything in inches, to centimeters. Alright, and of course, we would output the result to the console in a nicely formatted string. Alright, great. So I want you to work on this. In the next video, we will look at a possible solution. See you then.